Yagni benta jonga kubor la wanra speed daga fatafat online shopping store.
Dr. Amanwar, Director ke DHSMI hanya kasi ke khatsau terik unaitung arhaja arpo ulai thu hagla pathai kubor na ke jing bakla ai jing khen ki sipai BSF kaladon ke jing tam laingut kinong yo COVID-19 baharim radap penbej ke jing bakla ke jila Meghalaya ke don aspa hinyo photali ke active case
which we have given today. This is the correct figure. The reason being, from BSF what is happening, they are duplicating the names. The names which they have given earlier, again they are giving as new cases. So that was the only fault which we had. So now we have already contacted all the patients who are positive. These are the 179 which I have given. 179 BSF, 9 another 7 in Tura, that's why we have got 9. So now we have contacted each and every patient. We have got them, and the others stays as the same. That is why there was a difference in the figure.
Kajala Meghalaya hadu bapenmi yagani ka khubor ka don laispa khat pratali ki positive case na ka ba aspa lai pun rewar ki dei ha East Khasi district na ki ne shispa anyop khandai ngot ki di ki BSF sangot ki armed force bat sanphu arngot na ki ru paj ba Kariboi district ka don khat khandai ngot East Jaintia Hills arngot West Garo Hills khandai ngot South Garo Hills arngot ka East Garo Hills bar ka North Garo Hills ki don mar iway
The total number of active cases is 270. East Khasi Hills 236. BSF 179, and members from the armed forces till date is 5, and others 52. Ribhoi district 19, East Khasi Hills 2, East Jaintia Hills 2, West Garo Hills 9, South Garo Hills 2, East Garo Hills 1, North Garo Hills 1, recovered 46. The number of samples sent for testing is 24,817. The number of persons tested negative 24,199, and the number of test results awaited is 300. The number of entrants from outside the state till date is 21,837. For them, they have what they mean armed forces is what they mean armed forces. For us, when we say armed forces, we have clubbed together Air Force, military, and I will tell you the exact number. Number of positive cases from Air Force is 2. The number of positive cases from military is 1. You remember from Ryangmen, there is 1. Another one was from Assam Rifles. And one more today from Assam Rifles, we have put in, we'll have to put in military hospital. So that is 5. So when we say armed forces from our side, and what they mean and what we mean is that for our convenience, we said armed forces will include all these, Air Force and military.